$100,000 Bitcoin. Who could have thought, huh? Who could have thought? Us. We did. So congratulations. But anyway, $100,000 per Bitcoin. What's going to pump next? Because let's be honest, what's pumping is Bitcoin. Look at this parabolic move, and I'm so happy holding so much fucking Bitcoin. So congratulations to all of you. And I keep saying congratulations, but I will keep saying congratulations because we fucking deserve it. And you guys especially. So congrats. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell because Mr. Spot On has been on duty for you for so long. But anyway, let's not celebrate too much. Let's discuss as to what is going to pump next because I want to give you a couple of more coins, something on Solana, something not, and something that will, in my opinion, pump next. So that is something that, obviously not financial advice, but that's something that I'm deploying my capital into and something that, in my opinion, should do quite well. And then I'm going to give you also a bunch of news that just came out that really... This price action right here you see on the screen will seem like a joke to you. So therefore, please watch this video till the end, even after I give you the coins. So overall, we're looking absolutely fantastic. I mean, we are in price discovery. There is right now the main level of resistance is 100,000, and we basically are already hitting this 99.5. It's like 100,000. We're basically hitting it. But if you look at Ethereum, look at how, I mean, relatively weak it still is. Even though we actually had some very good volume yesterday, look at this volume. Somebody's buying a lot of ETH. The same, actually, if you look at a lot of the volume, you will actually quickly realize that there is a lot of volume on many altcoins right now. Ethereum narrative and also Solana narrative. If you look at Arbitrum, for example, Arbitrum has, I mean, it's probably one of the most undervalued projects on Ethereum right now, and it's one of the most fundamental ones. I mean, it did pump a little bit from 48 cents to like 80 cents, so it did do 2x. But if you actually zoom out and you check where it's standing in relation to its all-time high, it still is a huge opportunity. But this is not... Arbitrum isn't just, and we're also, Evadex is also being built on Arbitrum. So, but it's not, you know, you can do whatever you want with Arbitrum. I want to show you some other coins, but overall, if you pay attention to the volume, you'll see there is also big volume on Arbitrum. So somebody's buying Ethereum narrative, somebody's buying Solana narrative right now. So are they expecting finally for Bitcoin dominance to finally turn? Because look at this Bitcoin dominance, it's pretty insane, and it keeps pumping on a weekly, on a daily. We've pumped through all these resistances, all these most important levels. This has to change, this has to turn, just in the shape that I was just showing to you guys here. So it has to turn. So when it does, it's going to create a generational wealth creation opportunity for certain coins. So let me show you exactly which ones. In my opinion, it certainly is going to be Arbitrum. It is going to be Optimism. So it is going to be the ETH narrative, because Optimism is also ETH narrative. So I think that ETH is going to do absolutely fantastically. I mean, even Arbitrum, Optimism right now at $2. Our initial targets for Optimism were like $4, and then the target for Optimism is like $10 minimum. So that's like still 5x from here. And Optimism is also very fundamental. Now, if we talk about, this is more Ethereum narrative and Ethereum itself, because it still is so freaking undervalued. Now about Solana. Let me give you top 3 Solana coins that in my opinion are gonna do quite well. One of which is TAI. We actually spoke about it quite some time, and since we spoke about it, it has done quite well. As you can see right here, we spoke about it somewhere right here, so if it's done like 30% pump after we spoke about it. And if you don't remember what TAI is, you can go to tars.pro. You can check them out. It's a Solana ecosystem coin, and it's backed by Solana Foundation, and they basically are one of the top AI coins on Solana, and you can check them out on tars.pro. And their price action, like this long accumulation, still looks pretty freaking fantastic. So if you go to the daily chart, we're just at the upper slope, and usually for these kinds of trades, if it plays out, the target could be somewhere near $1, so like 5x. And just the continuation. It's a nice pattern for when there is liquidity in the altcoins. Same thing goes for example, one of the powerful ones, also on Solana, is Punk. Punk, in my opinion, yeah, it has pumped quite a bit. It's then like 3x from its bottom, but I think Punk has also a very long way to go. If you don't know what Punk is, it's also quite a powerful meme coin on Solana. And Solana, again, just generally speaking, Solana, it's more hype. It's not really fundamental. Ethereum is more fundamental, but right now in this cycle, we're all about meme coins and bullshit. So it is what it is. So for this reason, we also can consider doing WIF. So if, again, and WIF has corrected quite well. We were buying WIF at $1.60, $1.80, $2, so congratulations to you. And our take profit was $3, $3 something, and $3.20. So we've done this swing trade from here all the way up to here. Also in our trading club, we've done really well with quite a few meme coins, not just WIF. And if you want to join our trading club, where you see exactly what we do in real time, you can use the link to the trading club down in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. And one of the most important things that I forgot to mention is that our Ethereum trade, guys, is doing like 2.7 million. I still want to scale it further. So I'm telling you, I'm showing you these coins that, in my opinion, still have to perform. And we're having like 500K profit on it. But I'm not happy with this result, because Bitcoin at 100,000, I want to see Ethereum at least at 4, 5, 6,000. So it still has yet to play. That's why I'm making this video saying to the guys, this shit is so fucking undervalued. It's pretty unbelievable. So, and certainly, guys, I'm trading over on Bybit, as you can see, and I'm trusting them with millions of dollars. There's like, even in this account, I think it's like it's not loading, $1.5 million. So, and with my exclusive link that you can actually find down in the description of this video, you can claim up to 42% discount on trading fees, which is pretty fantastic in my opinion, and it's a big exchange that has $65 billion of traded volume a day. The only drawback, they do have KYC, so you do have to complete it, but you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses for this bull run that you can use to your advantage when it's one of the easiest, arguably, times to make money in crypto, and use this to your advantage. And with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, as an added benefit, you can get up to 42% discount on trading fees. Insane. So if you don't use this and you're trading on Bybit with no bonuses, you're just not very smart. And if you're lazy to transfer your KYC, if you already have an account, you can create a new one using a different form of identification, such as a driver's license. So don't be lazy, save money, multiply the money you've saved in the market the next 12 months together with us, so subscribe and enjoy. Anyway, let's continue into the coins. So I gave you WIF, I gave you TAI, I gave you Punk, and we've done really well on WIF. And again, join the trading club if you want to see all of this in real time and not just general big updates. And now let's get into the news that are just so juicy that, oh my God, that if you're missing these news here, you're just not informed. So $7 trillion Charles Schwab. So this is like a huge asset manager. He says that, Charles Schwab, it's also, he's like the head of this WIF, MOVE, whatever, this whole huge organization that is, as they say, shadow government or whatever, really powerful people like him amongst the people that, such as Jamie Dimon of JP Morgan, as well as Larry Finn of BlackRock, and same thing as Charles Schwab of Charles Schwab. So, and he's saying that he feels silly. Well, I think that people, just like Peter Schiff, when Bitcoin hits 1 million, and it will hit 1 million, people will always keep coming about and saying that they were silly. Congratulations. Yes, you're all fucking morons. So let's keep on going here. But this is good news, right? $7 trillion asset managers flipping bullish on Bitcoin. Here we have, from Gary Gensler himself, it could not be better. Like, guys, what is happening right now is the best. And for this, and because of this, altcoins are pumping, actually. That's why I'm thinking that the narrative and the Bitcoin dominance should start reducing. And once it does, Ethereum will be like doing plus 30, 40% in one day. Solana. And same thing with all the meme coins and also the infrastructure projects on Ethereum that I showed you, including Arbitrum and Optimism. My God. As Gary Gensler posted that on January the 20th, 2025, he will be stepping down. Yes, that's such a huge victory. And Senator Loomis, who's going to be working on the strategic Bitcoin reserve for the U.S. government, said that Gary Gensler anti-digital asset reign at the SEC will officially end in January, which is very bullish. And she actually says in her post that it is very good, that the whole landscape is shifting right now, and it is because of Trump's victory. That's why I'm thinking that 100,000 is not a limit for Bitcoin, but it is time for altcoins. That's why I'm giving you the altcoins now, because I think that right now the money will be not in Bitcoin unless you've been in Bitcoin together with it so far. I think that money going forward will be in altcoins and some in Bitcoin, obviously. Then we have Donald Trump's Crypto Advisory Council to be expected to set up strategic Bitcoin reserve, which is what they spoke about. And thanks to Cynthia Loomis and her pushes, they will probably also accumulate Bitcoin. Wow. Then we have this. This is what I spoke about. This is what this whole video is about, that the biggest altcoin season in history hasn't started yet, but it's about to. And it is so true. I agree with her so much. And to add insult to injury, or add sweetness to victory, or whatever, I think whatever floats your boat here, more accurately, China, Shanghai Judge says Bitcoin and crypto are property and that their ownership was legal in China. So China just officially unbanned Bitcoin. What else can there be? Like, what else do we need? The only thing bad that is still in the cards right now is this, probably except for inflation. We have Germany that is revealing plans to mobilize national defense, 800,000 NATO troops, preparing for World War III. So hopefully this is not going to come to fruition, but this is, there is still many black swan events that have certain low but still a probability of happening. So be very careful, mind your leverage. But this, I'm just showing you what I see in the charts, and this is what we see in our hedge fund. This is what we see in terms of accumulation, the volume, liquidity, so many things. So, and the coins that I'm currently buying, I'm showing everything to you, and I've been showing it to you for years. So I hope you appreciate it. If you do, leave some comments down in the comment section. Join Bybit, get all the bonuses. Check out all the coins I gave you. Not financial advice, obviously, just for your own research. And as always, peace and love. Time scroll. Stay smart, stay very rich, and I'll see you in the next video.